First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So now let me move on to basic level arrangement number 23. So 8 persons are sitting in two parallel rows containing 4 persons in each. So row number 1 where M and OP are sitting. So similarly in row number 2 W, X, Y, Z are sitting. And the person who are all sitting in row number 1 are facing north. And the person who are all sitting in row number 2, all the persons are facing south. Understood? So always go with two possible diagrams. So let me assume this as possible diagram 1. So totally there are 8 persons. So let me assume that this is row number 1, the person who are all facing north, and this is row number 2, the person who are all facing south. So similarly, we can draw another possible diagram. Okay. So point number 1. O sits second to right of 1 who sits at an extreme end of the line. So we know that the person O is sitting in row number 1, and now what they are saying is the person O is sitting to the right of 1. So that one is sitting to the extreme end of the line. So what we can do is, so I think only one chance we have. So let me assume that this is the person 1 who is sitting here, extreme end. So from this point, right hand side at the second place, the person O is sitting. So similarly in this possible diagram 2 also we can make a O here. Understood? So extreme end of the line, one person is sitting. From that person, right hand side at the second place, the person O is sitting. Okay, so next, O faces an immediate neighbor of W. So O is facing an immediate neighbor of W. So this is the person who is facing O, and this person immediate neighbor is W. So either we can place W here or else we can place W here, right? So similarly, O immediate neighbor should be W. So either W should be placed here or W should be placed here. So X sits to the immediate right of W. So W right hand side immediately where X is sitting. So W, if I fix W here, right hand side X, so X should be placed here. So if I fix W, this should be X. So we are getting many possibles. Let me move on to the next point. O faces an immediate neighbor of W. So the person who is facing O, so this person is an immediate neighbor of W. So either we know that this will be the person who is facing O. So this person is a neighbor of W. So either W should be placed here or W should be placed here. So what we can do is, in this possible diagram, I can fix W here. So in this possible diagram, I can fix W here. Understood? The person who is facing O, this person is an immediate neighbor of W. So either W should be placed at the left or W should be placed at the right. X sits to the immediate right of W. So W right hand side immediately X is sitting. So we know that the person W is facing south. So W right hand side will be this side. So W right hand side where X is sitting. So similarly W right hand side, the person X is sitting. The one who faces X sits at one of the position to the left of P. So the person who is facing X. So this person will face X, right? Understood? So this person is sitting to the one of the position to the left of P. So either P should be placed here or P should be placed here, but definitely P left hand side should be this person. So similarly in this possible diagram where the person who is facing X, so this person is sitting to the left of P. So only one place that we have, I should fix P here, no other way. So P does not faces W. So P is not facing W, but according to possible diagram 2 where P is facing W, so definitely this possible diagram is wrong. When we move on to this possible diagram, we know that this person is to the left of P. So either P should be placed here or P should be placed here. Now according to the point where P is not facing W, so definitely I can't able to fix P here. So only one chance that I should fix P here. Understood? So next, M sits to the immediate left of one who faces Z. So M sits to the immediate left of the person who faces Z. Okay. So M sits to the immediate left of the person. So the person, right, who is facing Z, right, and this person is to the immediate left of, what are they saying? M sits to the left of the person. So this person left hand side is M. Understood, friends? The person who is facing Z and this person left hand side where the person M is sitting. So if I fix M here, then this should be Z. No, not possible. Definitely I should fix M here, no other way. So M right hand side and this person will be facing Z. Understood? What is the remaining thing that we have is X. X, W, Z and Y is remaining. So I should fix Y here. In row number 1, N is remaining. So I should fix N here. That's it. So finally this will be the answer for arrangement number 23, right? If we go with two possible, we are getting an answer easily. So remember that if you can't able to fix in the possible diagram, try to make it as a small clue and then try to fix in the arrangement. So it will be better to get the answer easily. So finally this will be the answer for arrangement number 23.